When you get a new Chromebook, probably the last thing you're thinking about is what happens if something goes wrong. However, if your Chromebook should fail to boot, encounter a major system error, or require a clean reinstall, you'll be kicking yourself for not making any USB recovery media. So in this video, we're going to walk through the process for making the recovery media for a Google Chromebook. While we can use either an SD card or a USB flash drive for our recovery media, for this video we're going to use a blank 8GB USB 3 flash drive. In order to make the recovery media for a Chromebook, you can use any computer as long as it's able to run Chrome browser with the extensions. So with our instance of Chrome browser open, if we navigate to the Chrome Web Store, we first need to search extensions and themes for the Chromebook recovery utility. After selecting Chromebook Recovery Utility, we need to install the plugin into our Chrome browser. Next, we need to access extensions from our browser and click on the Chromebook Recovery Utility in order to open the application. With the Recovery Utility open, we can now close the Chrome browser. Before doing anything else, we recommend that at this point you insert your USB flash drive or SD card into your computer. Now, rather than clicking on Get Started, we like to click on the Settings icon and choose Erase Recovery Media, as this seems to help to ensure that when the recovery media is created, it will actually work. When prompted to erase our media, we're going to click Continue so that our USB flash drive is erased and reformatted in a way that ChromeOS will find acceptable. We now need to click on Create Another so that we are returned to the Create Recovery Media for your Chromebook screen. If we click on Get Started, we're asked to identify our model of Chromebook so that the recovery media will include the correct set of drivers for ChromeOS to use. As we're working from the Chromebook that we're looking to create the recovery media for, the recovery utility has automatically identified our model of Chromebook. So we can click on the suggested model number and then click Continue. Next, using the drop-down menu, we need to select the flash drive or SD card that we've inserted into our computer. After clicking Continue, we're informed as to what will happen next. However, if we click on Advanced Settings, we can choose which build of ChromeOS we wish to use. As we want to create recovery media, the best option to choose is Stable. By clicking on Create, we start the process for making our recovery media. However, it's worth noting that while a copy of ChromeOS is being downloaded from the internet, the download progress bar might stay at 0%, giving the impression that the recovery utility has crashed or is not working properly. However, if you leave the recovery utility alone, which in our case was for over 12 minutes, eventually the recovery utility will verify the download and then copy it to your flash drive or SD card. When we receive a message that our recovery media is ready, we can remove the recovery media and keep it in a safe place until we need it. If the need should arise and you need to wipe and reinstall a working version of ChromeOS back onto your Chromebook, as long as you have a copy of the recovery media, you can reinstall ChromeOS in less than 10 minutes. First, let's insert the recovery media into our Chromebook. Now, if we hold down the Escape and F2 keys on our keyboard, then press the Power button, we will force our Chromebook to load the recovery media. However, unlike a PC or Apple Macintosh computer, a Chromebook will automatically start to wipe and reinstall ChromeOS, returning it back to its factory defaults. So in order to restore your user settings, files and applications, after being prompted to remove the recovery media, your Chromebook will be rebooted and you'll be presented with the initial setup wizard for ChromeOS. At this point, if you connect to the internet and sign in with your Google account, your user settings, files and applications will automatically be reinstalled.